Oi!
I did, like this, Mom?
Yes, exactly. And make sure that little dot is going.
It is going. Hey, Barbie, I'm making a video for Mama. Hey, Barbie, I'm making a video for Mother. Hey, Barbie. Hey, Barbie, I'm making a video for Mother. So, Mom, you're the best of the best, and you make all desserts of the best. Eating the pie, eating the cookies, eating cake. You are the best of the best, Mom. My family, thank you so much for the family. And Jack and Jill. So that's the end of my story. Bye, Mom.
You are an actress.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. You are the best. Hi, Mom. No, don't go down there yet. Mommy's going to go get lunch.
No, I want you to see my video.
I know. I want you to make a few more. And then we'll all go down together and we'll do it. But right now I have to go get us breakfast.
No, Mom. This is going to be a good one.
It's
very short. I'll show you. Please, Mama, you're going to be lovable.
I love it no matter what. I love anything you do. And then Mommy has to go, okay?
Yes.
Get us a bagel.
No, and make sure to get a muffin.
No more muffins.